Hello, my name is Bruce Bennett, and well, I'm going to present my webpage that I made for BYU. So, first of all, this page, I got this idea because I really love Fakemon content, as I also made Fakemon content, which are Pokemon, well, fan-made Pokemon. And yeah, I wanted to create a page like that. And thanks to this course, I learned a lot, like how to use local storage, how to, let's quote unquote, divide and conquer programming issues, how to ask for help, how to apply my creativity to solve problems, like a lot of that stuff. So I want to show you what I did. So basically, here's the main page, create a fake mon. And what happens is that when you create a fake mon, this will read two different APIs. The first API will read random animal data, which will get its picture, its name, as well as a link. This link will send you to a different page so that you don't accidentally, lose this data, and you can see more info of the animal. Here you can get three different data from colors. Now the API only gives you one, so I had to repeat it 3 times. Here I used two JSONs. The first one was for typing, the second one was for evolutions. In here, I put the whole, I think, 18 types, and I made a different in the JavaScript so that if it repeats, because they're set randomly, so if two data sets are repeated, then they will just show, for example, electric. Something I did here is that you can pin data. So for example, you create, everything will reset, it will create different data. But if you, let's say, oh, I really like this animal, but I don't like any other data, you can pin it, and then it will change the all other data. And you can do it with everything else, okay? So this is exactly how it happens, so that, oh, I like this data, but I don't like any other, so let's try again, okay? And also, regardless of it's pinned or not, you can save it. Now, if it's saved, you can't save it no more. So to check it out, let's go to Save Fakemon Ideas. As you can see, the data you used was saved here. And let's try again. So let's save this one. I click in several times, but it was only saved once. So that's something I did. And before I show you what this button does, let me go to the Create a Fakemon theme. In here, you can create, as it says, 6 Fakemon ideas, and they are shown differently. So I gave this loading screen, as well as not show the button again, so that data doesn't override or create like a spam. And it gives like the feeling to the user that they should wait. So here, the same data as in the create a Fakemon page are given, but in small cards. And you can also pin it. For example, I pin this one and this one, so you can see which one they are. And then, as they are 6, they will only show 4 data sets. Okay? And I can also, let's say, this one, and you will only pin this one. Okay? Now, same as this last page, you can save them, and I made it with this icon, the bookmark one. So you bookmark it, and as you can see, you can't click it again. You can only do it once, and I say Fakemon Ideas, there it is. Okay, so let me show you again. Create, I wait for the data to load, and then I'm going to save this one, and let's say this one. I'm going to pin this one, and as such, it will show only that one. Let's say I don't want to save this one, but I want to pin it, so I do it again. And we'll do this thing. So on Save Fakemon Ideas, you have all this data, but let's say you didn't like, or you said, no, I don't like this idea no more. You can delete it. And to make sure that the user isn't frustrated that he misclicked, you get a chance to choose. So you can close it to say no, you can put no, but if you put yes, it's deleted. Okay, so I did this so that the user doesn't misclick. Okay, so yeah, this is my page, and I'm really happy what I did. I also made this dynamic footer so that it always shows at the bottom regardless of data. So let me just delete this one. And this is the only issue, but what am I gonna do? Okay, so yeah, that's what I did. I'm really happy about it, and I hope uh, you can grade me well, and I can you can use this page a lot. Thank you.